This machine costs over $1 million, and it never stops working.
It can produce thousands of garments every single day.
And everything starts with just simple threads.
These cones of yarn are the raw materials of the entire process.
Watch closely. This is where the magic begins.
Each thread is precisely controlled at high speed. Hundreds of needles work together in perfect synchronization. They loop, twist, and lock into fabric within milliseconds. This machine never gets tired. It runs 24 hours a day. Everything is controlled by advanced computer systems.
One small adjustment can change the entire fabric design.
From loose thread to solid fabric in seconds.
The finished material is rolled automatically.
This happens faster than the human eye can follow.
Next, the fabric is treated for strength and durability. Color is added through a precise dyeing system. From plain white to vibrant colors. Sensors check every inch for defects. Even the smallest mistake is detected instantly. Then comes precision cutting. Each cut is calculated to minimize waste. Everything moves seamlessly from one stage to another. Automation keeps production fast and consistent. At full speed, this machine is unstoppable.
But skilled workers are still essential.
Regular maintenance keeps everything running smoothly. Every moving part must be perfectly tuned. Day or night, the production never stops. Thousands of meters of fabric are produced daily.
Ready to be shipped around the world.
From factory to global markets.
You might even be wearing fabric made like this right now.
It all started from a simple thread. And transformed by incredible engineering. A true masterpiece of modern industry. Precision. Speed. Perfection. This is the future of textile production. Subscribe to see more amazing factory processes.